good morning. I promised that I was going to talk to you all about the new Java Core coffee that we have, and beta testers, men were losing up to 1 pound a day, women up to half a pound a day. Now, everyone is different. I'm not claiming everyone will lose that, but I want you to follow me on my journey. I got my coffee yesterday, so I started this morning, and it doesn't taste bad. I added a little bit of creamer with no sugar, of course, because you don't want to incorporate any sugar. You take it, if you're going to have a big breakfast, you're going to take it 30 minutes before you're going to have any carbs or whatever. Of course, I'm trying to stay as low carb as possible, maybe 30 carbs at the most per day. Anyway, follow my journey. Today is day one. I will be posting a picture of myself and my scale in the morning. And I usually weigh myself first thing in the morning because you don't have, any food or drinks or whatever. So anyway, follow me and let me know what you think. And if you're ready to try this out with no drugs, no shots, just coffee. And I will be talking also about the ingredients, which are also all natural. And stay tuned. I'll have a video on that one too. All right, bye.